मजा आया ये फिल्म्स करने में. I want to thank my entire crew. No effects, no CG, सब कुछ in camera, live, real puppets walking, real makeup, everything real. The wires are real. The special rigging was made with these huge cranes.
We are really excited about this project that we are doing. It's a fairly large project. We've done with Mahendra Singh Dhoni, conceptualized by Mccann and being executed by Keroscene Films.
एजेंट से मांगी एसी टिकट बोला नहीं है उड़ गई विकेट.
Offo, correct.
When like a crazy team comes together, this is what we do.
All the people, all the passengers, there'll be strings attached like puppets.
मजा आ गया बॉस. शूट करके इतना आनंद आया यार, सच बता रहा हूँ. very fantastic shoot.
No more puppet. Redbus say cut it.
Fun day doing puppet makeup for her and for everyone.
The track is absolutely beautiful. It's so hummable.
Puppet.
Mahi, I love you. My favorite to work with.
It was amazing. Everyone is so dedicated. I think everyone knew that it's a good project and we were working towards a really good script.
90 costumes and crazy rigging and puppet making, humans being made into puppets and all.
All rigged like puppets, the beautiful makeup, the beautiful music, and to have an added celebrity on the set, it's always a kind of a stressful point. But kudos to Keroscene Films for pulling it off.
Each and every department have given their best to make this film memorable.
इसको puppet controller बनाना ये काफी tough चीज था. It was challenging, but we did it correctly.
Thank you to Redbus, to Rajesh, Saathi, and of course the lovely team at Mccann for making this happen.
When we heard the script for the first time and the representation of this, and it was a very beautiful visual representation in form of puppet.
Puneet and Mccann team, thank you for giving me this opportunity. मैंने script पढ़ा तो मुझे इतना मजा आया उस वक्त और it's a reality now and people are appreciating the film. I'm very happy about it.
Redbus say cut it.
Redbus, download and
Get it.